In this Excel certification exam, we have the following question. On this worksheet, use an automatic formatting method to format cell in the order total columns that contain above average values by applying green fill with dark green text. Use a technique that automatically updates the formatting if the column value change. Alright, to do this, you highlight the entire column, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, drop down, and go to the second option. Then you have submenu, click on Above Average. A window like this pop up, then drop down, and the question asks you to use green fill with dark green text. So select the third one from the top. Click this one, click OK. Thank you for watching.